Hello guys, this is Mitesh Shukla from Excellence Education and Visa here. Guys, in this video I will explain you how you can maximize your score in the IELTS speaking examination. Yes guys, IELTS speaking examination is one of the important section where you can maximize your score. Okay, so there are some basic, see guys, I have outlined number of points, but in this video I will try to explain as much points as I can. If not, then I will explain you in my next videos also. So guys, as we all know that the speaking IELTS examination is for the 15 minutes maximum. So there will be a room, you have to go over, then the examiner will be taking your speaking. So whenever you are going in the speaking room, don't just go and sit on the chair over there. That's a very common thing. Obviously you will ask the examiner, may I come in sir, may I come in madam. Okay, so examiner will let you sit, please have a seat, thank you very much. So that's how you will start your speaking test. Alright, now guys, first of all the behavior, the nervousness should not be there. Many people I have seen, they're literally shaken over there when they are giving the speaking test. Okay guys, it is just a speaking test. Okay, it's not like somebody is interrogating over you over there. So just relax yourself and try to maximize your answer. Okay, say for example, if there is any tricky question, okay, and if you don't know the answer, but try to speak as much as you can. All right, many of the students I have seen that they are saying that you have to give the short answers. No, you don't have to give the short answers. You have to elaborate your answer. This is a speaking test. Okay, you have to show your speaking skill. You have to let the examiner know that you know English, and that's how the examiner will give you the band score. If you are giving the short answers, okay, that's not the proper speaking. You have to elaborate your answer, you have to explain your answer, you can give the examples also. Alright, and the rhythm is important over here. Your speaking should look like that you have started your speaking answer and you have ended your answer. Just don't get stuck, okay? Just don't sit still over there. Many of the students I have seen there, they are just hung up their answer, okay? So in this case, what will happen is like examiner will be confused that whether he or she has to ask you the second question or not. So what you have to do is your rhythm should be like the examiner should know that you have started your answer and you have ended your answer, and now it's a chance for the examiner to ask you the second question. So the rhythm is most important. Behavior is very important over here, very crucial. Alright guys. And whenever the topic is given to you, 2 minutes topic, okay, try to utilize that time. They will give you the 60 seconds. So just note down the points what you will speak. Just make the W questions like what, when, why. Say for example, the topic is like speak on your hobby. So you can say like what is the hobby, why it is important, and so on and so forth. Okay, so just try to make out the points. What happens is over here is many students, they are speaking for 1 minute, and after that they are even not knowing the topic. What was the topic? Okay, so that should not be the case in the real IELTS examination. Otherwise it will be a catastrophe for you. Alright guys, so just outline as much points as you can. You can look at the points and you can give your answer. Okay, so that's a very important thing for you also. Furthermore, I would like to say that whenever your speaking test is completed, okay, don't just stand up and go out of the class. Obviously, just say thank you to the examiner. Thank you very much for your time, sir. I do appreciate your time given to me. Okay, so just end your conversation in this way. Just end your speaking in this way. Okay, just keep a smiling face. Okay, so in this way you have to end your speaking test also. So guys, in my next video also I will be explaining some many important points related to the speaking IELTS examination. So guys, do share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching again.